kid, you're saying da 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 again. I know that means that you want to feel scruffy around your cheeks.
You see that bus out the window, buddy? What are you looking at? You see the RTD bus? See a big old bus. Yeah.
From Salida, goat meat, gourmet goat meat that they're selling in Boulder.
Sounds interesting.